Hello students, so today we are going to learn about this poem, that is The Rosebud, an unopened flower of a rose by Anonymous, an unknown poet. So let's get started with the poem. It is only a tiny rosebud, a flower of God design. The poet was wandering around the garden and there he noticed a tiny beautiful rosebud. And by looking at it, he said that this is a flower of God design. As we all know that we human beings, plants, animals, we all are designed by God. So here the poet is saying that rosebud is a flower of God design. Next line is, but I cannot unfold the petals with these clumsy hands of mine. In these lines, the poet is saying that he cannot unfold the petals of the rosebud with his clumsy hands. That means it's not his duty or job to unfold the flower with his clumsy hands. It is the job of nature, God, to unfold the petals of the flower. So the next para is, the secret of unfolding flower is not known to such as I. God open this flower so easily, but in my hands they die. In this para, the poet is saying that he does not know the secret of unfolding flower and deeply thinks that only God is the one who can easily unfold the flower so easily and effortlessly. But if the poet tries to unfold the flower, the rosebud will die because he does not know the secret of unfolding it. In next para, the poet is saying that if I cannot unfold a rosebud, this flower of God design, then how can I have the wisdom to unfold this life of mine? In this para, he analyzed that if he cannot unfold a rosebud because it is the God creation, then how can he have the knowledge to understand and plan his own life? That means, like rosebud flower, his life journey secret is also known by God. And if the secret is of life journey is with God, then how can he understand his life by its own? How can he unfold his own life? Next para is, so I will trust in God for leading each moment of my day. I will look to God for guidance in each step along the way. In this para, he is showing full faith and trust towards God. He is saying that he will leave every moment of each day of his life in God's hand, to lead him in God's hand, to lead him in path that is already planned for him by God. The poet will look to God for guidance in each step along his life journey. Next para is, the path that lies before me only my makers know. I will trust God to unfold the moment just as he unfolds the rose. In this para, he believes that only God knows his future. He is the one who knows everything, that what is going to happen in future with him. So he is saying that the God will unfold each moment of his life like he unfolded the rose. That's it. So these are some difficult words. Unfold, to open out, clumsy, not having good control, wisdom, knowledge, trust, belief, guidance, direction. I hope you all have understood this poem clearly without any doubts.